Hello class, welcome to my first nurse's audio blog. My name is Sam Ewig, and today we're going to talk about some common words found in microbiology and what they mean. First, we'll talk about E. coli, or Escherichia coli. The prefix comes from the name of a German physician, Theodor Escherich, and coli is the Latin suffix relating to the colon. Currently, E. coli is the most studied free-living organism in the world. Micrococcus luteus, if we break it down, micro means microscope, and coccus refers to it being spherical in shape. Luteus refers to a golden or yellow color. Micrococcus luteus is found in dust, water, soil, and in the human skin flora. Staphylococcus epidermis can cause wound infections, boils, sinus infections, endocarditis, and other inflammations. Let's break down both words. Staph, the prefix, derives from the Greek staphyle, which means a bunch of grapes. And again, coccus refers to that spherical shape. Epi is the prefix meaning on, and dermis means skin. The epidermis is the outer layer of the skin. Bacillus cereus is a microbe found in cooked vegetables, meats, rice, casseroles, salad, soups, and custard. If we break this word down, bacillus means rod-shaped bacterium, and this derives from Latin. This also means little staph. Cereus is a Latin word meaning wax. Similar to Bacillus cereus, Bacillus subtilis has the same genus Bacillus, meaning little staph, and subtilis is Latin for subtle. Bacillus subtilis increases the count of lactic acid bacteria and decreases harmful ones such as coliforms. We'll also talk about tryptic soy agar, or TSA. This is a solid medium used for the cultivation and isolation of microorganisms. Tryptic soy broth, or TSB, is a liquid version of TSA. The human microbiome is a collection of all microbes such as bacteria, fungi, viruses, and their genes that naturally live in and on our bodies. A broad-spectrum antimicrobial drug is a drug that is prescribed by a physician and used to kill off many different types of bacteria. Clostridium difficile is also referred to as C. diff, and this will produce toxins in the body, causing colitis. When we hear the word nasopharynx, we are talking about the naso, or nose, and pharynx, or throat, regions of the body. Symbiosis is a close relationship between two organisms. The three types of symbiosis are commensalism, where one member benefits while the other is unaffected; mutualism, where both organisms benefit in this relationship; and parasitism, where one organism benefits from harming the other. We're also going to talk about peptidoglycan. This is a word that we can break down to help us better understand it. The prefix peptido means amino acids, and the suffix glycan refers to sugars. A peptidoglycan is a polymer composed of a polysaccharide and a peptide chain found in bacterial cell walls. We'll also talk about a couple extra words, their pronunciation, source of genus name, and source of specific epithet. Salmonella enterica is a bacterium. The pronunciation slowly Salmonella enterica. This source of genus name honors the public health microbiologist Daniel Salmon. The source of specific epithet is found in the intestines, entero. Next, we'll talk about Staphylococcus pyogenes. Breaking this down, Streptococcus pyogenes. The source of genus name comes from the appearance of cells in chains, strepto, and the source of specific epithet, it forms pus, PO. Next, we'll talk about Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Specific pronunciation of this, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. This is a yeast. The source of specific genus name is a fungus, Myces, that uses sugars, saccharose. This makes beer, Cerevisiae. Next, we'll talk about Penicillium Christogenum. This is a fungus. Breaking this pronunciation down, Penicillium Christogenum. This source of genus name is a tuft-like or paintbrush penicil appearance microscopically. The source of specific epithet produces a yellow chryso pigment. Next, we have Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma cruzi is a protozoan. Breaking this down, we have Trypanosoma cruzi. The source of this genus name is corkscrew, trypano, borer, and soma, body. And the source of specific epithet honors the epidemiologist Oswald Cruz. Finally, our last word is bacteroides, Thetotiamicron. Thank you for listening to my first nurse's audio blog, and I'll see you next time.